Ken here with another tech tip. Today we're going to talk about straightening a ding in the AP, or what's often called the slot ring. The slot ring is monitored by this board right here. It's the D522 board, or what's called the LPS board. And it has light gates that read the slots. When there's a ding or a bend in the AP ring, we need to straighten that out. So what I've done is I've just taken a standard pliers, I've put some electrical tape around it to protect the metal, and I'm just going to simply correct the little bend in it. This is something that should be checked for on every PM, and it should also be inspected every time we take the rear funnel out of the gantry, because that is actually the most common reason for this AP ring to be damaged. Thank you.